Welcome to our deep dive into the world of one of the ocean's most fascinating creatures, the octopus. Here, in the vast, often mysterious and endlessly captivating marine realms, life has sculpted forms of extraordinary ingenuity. Few, however, can match the sheer versatility and alien beauty of the octopus. This is not merely an animal, it is a testament to evolution's boundless creativity, a creature of profound intelligence and almost magical adaptability. It navigates its complex, three-dimensional world with an elegance and cunning that continues to astound those of us who study the natural world. Today we shall embark on a journey beneath the waves, a journey to uncover the secrets of this remarkable marine mollusk. The octopus, a cephalopod of ancient lineage, possesses a suite of characteristics that set it apart, making it a subject of endless fascination for scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. From its multiple hearts and blue blood to its astonishing powers of camouflage and problem-solving, every aspect of its being seems designed for a life of sophisticated survival. Let's explore some incredible facts about this intelligent and adaptable marine mollusk, and perhaps in doing so gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders that lie hidden in our planet's oceans. Join us as we peel back the layers of mystery surrounding this soft-bodied marvel. We will explore its unique anatomy, its startling behaviors, and the intricate ways it interacts with its environment, from the sunlit coral reefs to the inky depths. The story of the octopus is a story of survival, of intelligence, and of an alien beauty that thrives in the very heart of our blue planet. Prepare to be amazed by the capabilities of this truly extraordinary creature, a living puzzle that continues to challenge our understanding of life itself. The octopus, a name that evokes an image of flowing, sinuous limbs, is defined quite literally by its 8 arms. These are not mere appendages. They are instruments of extraordinary capability, each one a marvel of biological engineering. Each arm, you see, is lined with suckers, sometimes hundreds of them, which are far more than simple gripping tools. These suckers are equipped with chemoreceptors, allowing the octopus to taste what it touches, a remarkable sensory adaptation that turns every interaction with its environment into an exploration of flavor and texture. Imagine, if you will, being able to perceive the world through your fingertips in such a rich and detailed manner. These arms operate with a degree of independence that is quite astonishing. While the central brain provides overall direction, each arm possesses its own cluster of nerve cells, a sort of mini-brain, allowing for complex, coordinated movements without constant conscious oversight from the main control center. This distributed nervous system enables the octopus to perform multiple tasks simultaneously. One arm might be investigating a crevice for food, while another anchors the creature to a rock, and yet others might be preparing for a swift escape. It is a symphony of motion, orchestrated by a decentralized intelligence that is both efficient and elegant. When it comes to hunting, these 8 arms transform the octopus into a formidable predator. They can reach, grasp, and manipulate prey with astonishing precision and strength. The suckers, with their powerful grip, ensure that once a meal is caught, escape is highly unlikely. Whether it's a swift crab scuttling across the seabed or a fish darting through the water, the octopus's arms can envelop and secure its quarry. This tactile prowess, combined with its other remarkable abilities, places the octopus among the ocean's most effective hunters, a silent, many-limbed pursuer in the underwater ballet of life and death. The sheer flexibility and muscular control of these arms are also noteworthy. Lacking any bones, they can bend and twist in any direction, allowing the octopus to maneuver in ways that would be impossible for creatures with rigid skeletons. This allows them to explore the most intricate of environments, probing into tiny holes and crevices where potential prey might be hiding, or where shelter from larger predators can be found. The arms are a testament to the power of soft-bodied evolution, showcasing a different yet equally successful approach to anatomical design. So, when we observe an octopus moving through its domain, we are witnessing the elegant deployment of 8 highly sophisticated tools. Each arm is a sensory organ, a weapon, a means of locomotion, and an instrument of exploration. They are central to its survival, to its understanding of the world, and to its very identity as one of the ocean's most uniquely equipped inhabitants. The story of the octopus truly begins with these remarkable, multi-talented limbs. One of the most striking characteristics of the octopus, and one that contributes significantly to its almost mythical reputation, is its soft body. Entirely lacking a skeleton, save for a hard parrot-like beak, this creature is a master of contortion. This bonelessness is not a weakness, rather it is a profound evolutionary advantage, granting the octopus an unparalleled ability to navigate and exploit its complex marine environment. It can alter its shape with an ease that seems to defy the very laws of biology, flowing like liquid through the water. This incredible flexibility allows the octopus to squeeze through the tiniest of spaces, an opening no larger than its own eye or the diameter of its beak. The only truly rigid part of its body can be sufficient for passage. This is a crucial skill both for hunting and for survival. It can pursue prey into narrow cracks and crevices where other, more rigidly structured predators cannot follow, and equally importantly, it can escape from its own hunters by disappearing into impossibly small refuges, leaving potential threats bewildered and empty-jawed. Imagine the world from the perspective of an octopus, a landscape not of solid barriers but of potential pathways. A small hole in a rock, a narrow gap between corals, or even the neck of a discarded bottle can become a sanctuary or a hunting blind. This ability to compress and contort its body opens up a vast array of ecological niches that would be inaccessible to most other animals of its size. It is a life lived without the constraints of rigid internal structures, a life of fluidity and adaptability. This boneless physique also contributes to its remarkable camouflage abilities, which we shall explore in more detail later. Without a fixed skeletal frame, the octopus can more easily alter its overall shape and texture to mimic its surroundings, further enhancing its capacity for disguise. It can flatten itself against the seabed or bunch up to resemble a rock or a clump of algae, all thanks to the compliant nature of its tissues. This plasticity is a cornerstone of its survival strategy, a silent, constant adaptation to the visual and tactile landscape around it. The soft body of the octopus, therefore, is not a sign of vulnerability, but a testament to a different kind of strength. The strength of adaptability. It allows for a life of infiltration and escape, of exploration into the unseen and untouched corners of the marine world. It is a living embodiment of the principle that sometimes the most resilient forms are those that can bend, flow, and change, rather than those that stand rigid against the forces of nature. Perhaps the most visually astonishing of all the octopus's abilities is its mastery of camouflage. This is not merely a passive blending with the background, it is an active, dynamic process, transforming the octopus into a living canvas capable of mimicking its surroundings with breathtaking speed and accuracy. Its skin contains thousands of specialized pigment sacs called chromatophores, each one surrounded by tiny muscles. By contracting or expanding these muscles, the octopus can control the size and visibility of each chromatophore, effectively painting its skin with an array of colors. But the artistry does not stop at color. The octopus can also change the texture of its skin, a feat accomplished by controlling papillae, small muscular projections on its surface. It can make its skin perfectly smooth to blend with sand, or raise these papillae to create bumps and spikes, mimicking the rough texture of rocks, coral, or even seaweed. This combination of color and texture change allows for a level of disguise that is almost unparalleled in the animal kingdom. Within fractions of a second, an octopus can seemingly vanish before your very eyes. This incredible ability serves multiple purposes. Primarily, it is a defense against predators. By matching its environment so precisely, the octopus becomes virtually invisible to sharks, dolphins, and other marine hunters. It can sit in plain sight, yet remain completely undetected, a ghostly presence that melts into the backdrop. This allows it to conserve energy, avoiding the need for constant flight, and to live a life less constrained by the constant threat of predation. It is a cloak of invisibility woven from its own skin. Camouflage is also a vital tool for hunting. A disguised octopus can lie in wait, an ambush predator perfectly concealed from unsuspecting prey. Crabs, fish, and shrimp may venture too close, unaware of the danger lurking nearby, until it is too late. The sudden strike from a perfectly camouflaged hunter is often swift and decisive. This ability to be both the unseen observer and the hidden threat gives the octopus a significant advantage in the constant struggle for sustenance in the competitive marine ecosystem. The complexity and speed of this transformation are truly remarkable, controlled by a sophisticated interplay between the octopus's eyes and its brain. It perceives its surroundings and then almost instantaneously translates that visual information into the precise muscular contractions needed to achieve the perfect disguise. It is a testament to the intricate neural control these creatures possess, a living demonstration of evolution's power to craft solutions of astonishing elegance and effectiveness. The octopus, in its ability to change its appearance, embodies the very essence of adaptation. Chapter 4. A trio of hearts, the unique circulatory system. Delving deeper into the octopus's unique physiology, we encounter another extraordinary feature. It possesses not one, but 3 hearts. This unusual circulatory arrangement is finely tuned to the demands of its active yet often oxygen-poor marine lifestyle. 2 of these hearts, known as branchial hearts, are dedicated to a specific vital task. They pump blood through the octopus's gills. Here, in these delicate, feathery structures, the blood picks up life-giving oxygen from the surrounding water. The 3rd heart, the systemic heart, then takes over. It is responsible for circulating this newly oxygenated blood to the rest of the octopus's body, supplying its muscles, organs, and its remarkably complex brain. This division of labor ensures an efficient supply of oxygen throughout its system, powering its rapid movements, its complex behaviors, and its metabolically demanding camouflage changes. It's a cardiovascular system built for performance, supporting a creature that must be ready for swift action at any moment. However, there is a curious quirk to this 3-heart system. When an octopus swims, its systemic heart, the one that pumps blood to the body, actually stops beating. This is quite a remarkable phenomenon. It is thought that the exertion of swimming puts too much strain on this particular heart, or perhaps that the pressure changes interfere with its function. Whatever the precise reason, the consequence is that octopuses tire relatively quickly when engaged in sustained swimming. This might explain why they often prefer to crawl along the seabed using their arms, or to use jet propulsion for short, sharp bursts of speed rather than long-distance travel. This physiological peculiarity highlights the trade-offs inherent in evolution. While 3 hearts provide an efficient means of oxygenating blood for a creature living in an aquatic environment, the temporary cessation of the systemic heart during swimming imposes a limitation. It underscores their preference for a life that often involves ambush predation and cryptic hiding, rather than prolonged high-speed pursuits. Their energy management must be carefully balanced, and their circulatory system reflects this delicate equilibrium. Thus, the 3 hearts of the octopus are not just an anatomical curiosity, they are a key to understanding its lifestyle, its limitations, and its evolutionary adaptations. They tell a story of a creature finely tuned to its world, a world where oxygen can be scarce and where efficient energy use is paramount for survival. This trio of pulsing organs works in concert to sustain one of the ocean's most intelligent and enigmatic invertebrates. Chapter 5. The Azure Lifeblood, Hemocyanin's Reign. The wonders of the octopus's internal systems continue with the very nature of its blood. Unlike humans and other mammals whose blood is red due to the iron-based protein hemoglobin, the octopus possesses blue blood. This striking color is a result of a different respiratory pigment called hemocyanin. Instead of iron, hemocyanin uses copper to bind and transport oxygen molecules throughout the octopus's body. When oxygenated, this copper-based molecule imparts a distinct blue hue to the creature's vital fluids. This difference is not merely a matter of color, it reflects a profound adaptation to the octopus's marine environment. Hemocyanin is particularly efficient at transporting oxygen in conditions of low temperature and low oxygen concentration, conditions often encountered in the ocean depths or in cooler waters where many octopus species thrive. While hemoglobin excels in the warm, oxygen-rich environments typically inhabited by mammals, hemocyanin offers a superior solution for many aquatic invertebrates facing different respiratory challenges. The copper in hemocyanin binds less tightly to oxygen than the iron in hemoglobin. This might seem counterintuitive, but it allows for more efficient oxygen release to the tissues in cold water, where metabolic rates are generally lower. It's a system beautifully tailored to the specific needs of a cold-blooded aquatic animal. The blue blood, therefore, is a hallmark of an evolutionary path that diverged long ago, leading to solutions perfectly suited for life beneath the waves. However, this reliance on hemocyanin also means that octopuses are quite sensitive to changes in water acidity. A more acidic environment, such as that which can result from increased carbon dioxide levels in the ocean, can reduce hemocyanin's ability to bind oxygen. This makes them potentially vulnerable to the ongoing changes in ocean chemistry, a modern challenge for these ancient mariners. Their unique physiology, so well adapted for eons, now faces new pressures. So, the azure lifeblood coursing through an octopus's veins is more than just a curiosity. It is a testament to its evolutionary journey, a vital adaptation that allows it to flourish in diverse marine habitats. It speaks of a different way of life, a different way of breathing, all encapsulated in the elegant chemistry of a copper-based molecule. This blue blood is yet another piece in the puzzle of what makes the octopus such a distinctive and fascinating creature of the deep. Chapter 6. The Ocean's Intellect Problem-Solving Prowess. Among the invertebrates, the octopus stands out for its remarkable intelligence, a cognitive capacity that continues to surprise and impress researchers. These creatures possess the largest brains relative to body size of any invertebrate, and their complex nervous system allows for sophisticated learning, memory, and problem-solving abilities. They are the thinkers of the mollusk world, demonstrating a level of cunning that rivals that of many vertebrates. Their intelligence is not just academic, it is a practical tool honed by evolution for survival in a challenging world. Observations both in the wild and in controlled laboratory settings have revealed octopuses using tools, a behavior once thought to be exclusive to a select few highly intelligent animals like primates and birds. For instance, the veined octopus has been famously documented carrying coconut shell halves across the seabed, assembling them later to create a temporary shelter. This foresight, this ability to plan for future needs, is a clear indication of advanced cognitive function. It's a deliberate, purposeful action, not merely a reflexive response. Their problem-solving skills are legendary. Octopuses have been shown to navigate complex mazes, open screw-top jars to access food rewards, and even distinguish between different human caretakers. They learn from experience and can retain information for extended periods. Some species have even been observed engaging in playful behavior, manipulating objects in their environment seemingly out of curiosity, another hallmark of a sophisticated mind. This capacity for learning and adaptation is crucial for a creature that often lives a solitary life, relying on its own wits to find food and avoid danger. Perhaps most notoriously, octopuses are renowned escape artists. Their soft bodies, combined with their intelligence, make them incredibly adept at finding and exploiting any weakness in an enclosure. Many an aquarium keeper has a tale of an octopus that managed to slip out of its tank, sometimes even venturing into neighboring tanks for a midnight snack before returning undetected to its own abode. This Houdini-like ability underscores their spatial awareness, their manipulative dexterity, and their sheer determination. The intelligence of the octopus challenges our traditional notions of what it means to be smart. It's a different kind of intelligence, evolved in a vastly different environment, yet undeniably effective and complex. Studying these creatures offers a fascinating window into the diverse ways that intelligence can manifest in the natural world, reminding us that cognitive prowess is not limited to creatures with backbones, but can blossom in the most unexpected of forms, deep beneath the ocean waves. Well, when an octopus needs to make a swift getaway or launch a rapid attack, it employs a remarkable method of locomotion jet propulsion. This natural hydraulic system allows for bursts of speed that can leave predators bewildered or prey with little chance of escape. The mechanism is elegant in its simplicity, yet highly effective. The octopus draws water into its mantle cavity, a muscular sac that forms a significant part of its body, and then expels this water forcefully through a funnel-like structure called a siphon. The siphon is a highly versatile instrument. It is mobile and can be pointed in any direction, allowing the octopus to control its trajectory with considerable precision. By aiming the siphon, the octopus can propel itself forwards, backwards, or even sideways, navigating the complex, three-dimensional underwater world with agility. This directional control is crucial for evading threats that may approach from any angle. or for accurately targeting fast-moving prey. It's like having a built-in steerable rocket engine. The speed achieved through jet propulsion can be quite impressive, especially for a soft-bodied creature. This rapid acceleration is vital for survival, as many octopus predators are swift swimmers themselves. A sudden, powerful jet of water can create enough distance for the octopus to employ other defensive strategies, such as releasing ink or disappearing into a crevice. It's a primary escape mechanism, a burst of speed that can mean the difference between life and death in the predator-prey dynamics of the ocean. While incredibly effective for short bursts, jet propulsion is an energy-intensive mode of transport. As we learned earlier, the octopus's systemic heart stops beating when it swims vigorously, leading to rapid fatigue. Therefore, this powerful jetting is typically used for short sprints rather than sustained travel. For more leisurely movement or for navigating intricate terrains, the octopus often relies on crawling with its versatile arms, conserving energy for when a rapid escape is truly necessary. The evolution of jet propulsion in cephalopods like the octopus and squid is a fantastic example of convergent evolution where similar solutions to environmental challenges arise independently in different lineages. It's a testament to the power of natural selection to shape efficient and effective biological mechanisms. Observing an octopus deploy its siphon is to witness a masterpiece of biomechanical engineering, a creature harnessing the very water around it to achieve remarkable feats of speed and agility. When swift jet propulsion and masterful camouflage are not enough to deter a persistent predator, the octopus has another remarkable trick up its sleeve, or rather in its ink sac. This is the famous ink defense, a tactic that has become almost synonymous with these intelligent cephalopods. When threatened, an octopus can release a dense cloud of dark ink, composed mainly of melanin, the same pigment that gives human skin and hair its color. This cloud serves as a sophisticated decoy and a smokescreen. The release of ink is not just a random dispersal of pigment. The octopus can control the consistency and shape of the ink cloud. Sometimes it releases a large, diffuse cloud that obscures the predator's vision, creating confusion and providing cover for the octopus to make its escape. This visual barrier can linger in the water, effectively acting like a disappearing act, allowing the octopus to jet away in a different direction, often unseen by its baffled pursuer. On other occasions, the octopus may release a smaller, more concentrated blob of ink mixed with mucus that roughly mimics its own size and shape. This pseudomorph can act as a decoy, fooling the predator into attacking the ink cloud, while the real octopus, often having changed color to blend with its new surroundings, slips away unnoticed. Some inks may even contain compounds that irritate the predator's eyes or interfere with its sense of smell, further enhancing the defensive effectiveness of this remarkable adaptation. The ink sac is located near the digestive system, and the ink is expelled through the siphon, the same structure used for jet propulsion. This allows the octopus to aim its inky defense, often releasing it just as it jets away, maximizing the confusion and its chances of survival. It's a multi-purpose tool, the siphon, serving both locomotion and defense with elegant efficiency. The production of ink is metabolically costly, so it's a defense mechanism used judiciously, typically when other strategies have failed or are insufficient. This inky evasion is a dramatic and effective strategy, a last-ditch effort that has served octopuses well for millions of years. It's a visual spectacle, a cloud of darkness deployed in a moment of peril, testament to the diverse and ingenious ways life in the ocean has evolved to survive. The ink of an octopus is more than just a pigment. It's a carefully deployed tool in a high-stakes game of survival, a dark signature of its cunning and adaptability. In stark contrast to many highly intelligent animals that exhibit complex social structures, the octopus is, for the most part, a profoundly solitary creature. Its life is one of independence, a journey navigated alone through the vast and often perilous underwater world. From a young age, often after a brief planktonic larval stage, juvenile octopuses settle on the seabed and begin their solitary existence, relying entirely on their innate abilities and learned experiences to find food, secure shelter, and evade danger. This solitary nature means that interactions with other octopuses are generally rare and often fraught with tension, particularly outside the context of mating. Encounters between individuals can sometimes lead to displays of aggression or even cannibalism, especially if one is significantly larger than the other or if resources are scarce. Each octopus carves out its own territory, its own den, and largely keeps to itself, a testament to its self-sufficiency. Their complex brains and problem-solving skills are perhaps, in part, an adaptation to this solitary lifestyle, where there is no social group to rely on for support or shared knowledge. The primary exception to this solitary rule is, of course, mating. When the time comes to reproduce, male and female octopuses will seek each other out, often engaging in intricate courtship rituals that can involve changes in color and posture. These encounters are typically brief. For many octopus species, reproduction marks the end of their life cycle. The male often dies shortly after mating, and the female dedicates herself entirely to her clutch of eggs, foregoing food and tirelessly protecting and aerating them until they hatch, after which she too will perish. This poignant life strategy, known as semelparity, where an organism has only a single reproductive episode before death, underscores the intensity of their solitary existence. All their energy, all their accumulated resources are channeled into this one chance to pass on their genes. The dedication of the female octopus to her brood is a remarkable display of parental care, even if it is her final act. She ensures the next generation has the best possible start, even at the cost of her own life. Thus, the octopus as a lone voyager is a creature of profound self-reliance. Its intelligence, its camouflage, its defenses, all are tools wielded by an individual navigating its world alone. This solitary existence shapes its behavior, its life history, and ultimately its evolutionary trajectory. It is a life lived on its own terms, a testament to the power of individual adaptation in the grand theatre of the natural world. Octopuses are truly global citizens of the marine world, found in every ocean on Earth, from the warm, shallow waters of tropical coral reefs to the cold, crushing darkness of the abyssal plains. Their adaptability has allowed them to colonize an astonishing variety of underwater environments. However, they are most commonly associated with complex habitats like coral reefs and rocky seabeds, places that offer abundant hiding spots and a rich supply of potential prey. These intricate structures provide the octopus with the nooks and crannies essential for its survival, serving as both larder and fortress. Coral reefs, with their vibrant biodiversity, are prime octopus territory. Here, amongst the branching corals and sponges, they can effectively utilize their camouflage and soft bodies to ambush unsuspecting prey and evade larger predators. The seabed too, whether sandy, muddy, or strewn with rocks and kelp, offers opportunities. Many species are adept at burrowing or creating dens, sometimes fortifying the entrance with shells and stones, a testament to their rudimentary construction skills. Their choice of home is dictated by the availability of food and shelter. The diet of an octopus is as varied as its habitat, though they are primarily carnivorous. Their menu typically consists of crustaceans such as crabs and shrimp, which they expertly extract from their shells using their powerful beaks and radula, a tongue-like organ covered in tiny teeth. Mollusks, including clams and snails, are also common prey. Some larger octopus species will even hunt fish, using their speed and stealth to launch surprise attacks. They are opportunistic hunters, taking advantage of whatever edible creatures cross their path. A crucial tool in their hunting arsenal is venom. While not all octopus bites are dangerous to humans, with the notable exception of the small but highly venomous blue-ringed octopus, all octopuses possess venomous saliva. After ensnaring their prey with their arms and suckers, they deliver a bite with their sharp beak, injecting venom that serves to paralyze the victim and begin the process of digestion externally. This allows them to consume even well-armored prey by dissolving the flesh into a more easily ingested form. From the sunlit shallows to the mysterious depths, the octopus has carved a niche for itself as a highly effective and adaptable predator. Its choice of habitat and its diverse diet reflect its evolutionary success. a creature perfectly attuned to the rhythms of the ocean, a master of its domain, whether it be a vibrant reef or a desolate patch of seabed. Their presence is a vital thread in the complex tapestry of marine ecosystems worldwide. And there you have it, some of the most fascinating facts about the octopus. We have journeyed through its world, marveling at its 8 intelligent arms, its boneless contortions, and its breathtaking ability to vanish into its surroundings. We've explored the intricacies of its 3 hearts and blue blood, the sheer ingenuity of its problem-solving mind, and the dramatic flair of its jet-propelled escapes and inky defenses. Each facet of its existence speaks to a creature of extraordinary design and profound adaptation. From its solitary life punctuated by a single dedicated act of reproduction, to its mastery over diverse habitats and its prowess as a hunter, the octopus stands as a true marvel of the marine realm. Whether it's their intelligence, unique physical traits, or their incredible adaptability, octopuses truly are one of the ocean's most remarkable creatures. They remind us that intelligence and complexity can arise in the most unexpected corners of the tree of life, challenging our perceptions and expanding our understanding of what it means to be an animal on this planet. The ocean still holds many secrets, and the octopus is undoubtedly one of its most captivating emissaries. As we continue to explore and learn, we deepen our appreciation for the delicate balance of marine ecosystems and the incredible biodiversity they support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. We hope you'll join us again as we continue to uncover the wonders of the natural world, both above and below the waves.